I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Farm and Ranch Technologies. The general idea was to start up a company that would bring technology to ranchers and hay farmers to areas that are not traditionally served by the smart farming community. Most of smart farming is related to agricultural products such as corn, soybean, and other types of products where monitoring of the fields and other things has become commonplace before the IoT boom. When you're in a very controlled environment where you can actually have a greenhouse and things like that, it's very easy to put out the technology to get the data. In large ranches and farms such as the ones around here, you're talking miles and miles of open range and miles of pasture land that has to be monitored for water, pH, nitrogen for your different fertilizers, and determining whether or not you have enough fertilizer in the ground. How can we get inexpensive sensors to get the data that the farmer needs without having them to figure out an IT strategy and wireless strategy and antennas and all of the logistics behind it? We figured that we could use our technological background and our farming background and kind of bring them together so that farmers would have a very easy and simple tool to use to help them produce more hay, grow more cows, make sure the cows have enough water and other things that they need without having to drive 25 miles out into the middle of nowhere. If you have the proper equipment already deployed, your phone will let you know when you're out of water. Your phone will let you know when your pivot's not running enough, or your pivot is bending or breaking, or something's happening with your equipment that you normally would only be able to capture that information using your eyes or your hearing or going out and physically seeing that object. We'll deploy an array of sensors that will give you an accurate idea of how much water you have at the top level, 6 inches, 12 inches down, idea of how much penetration you're getting and how much water you're actually getting to your plants. This is just a way that the farmers can actually spend more time farming than they do going around checking fences, water, and other different things.